Do you know this feeling of arriving to a river you haven't been able to fish in weeks, and the first thing you see is this? It would have been pretty simple to catch this brown trout with a small dry fly or a nymph. My dad wanted to have a challenge though, so he tried a Jonabuland to see if he would get a sick strike. This trout didn't really want to cooperate, so we continued on our way upstream to some great spots. I noticed some rising fish while getting my fly rod ready. They were right in the riffles, so I decided to give the good old Goddard Caddis a try.
Yup.
I was thrilled by catching all these native brown trout. Yes, they were small fish, but they predict a bright future. My stoke levels were pretty high, because I finally get to experience this river and its nature once again. I spotted multiple rising fish at the next spot. After unsuccessfully trying to convince them of a missing link, I tried the Goddard Caddis once again. I was about to give up when a fish took the fly without me even seeing it. I really got humbled that day by all those small fish, but I loved every second of it. My dad and I had dinner while the last sun rays faded from the valley. Afterwards, he gave the spot another shot, very successfully.
Das ist aber eine schönere, hä? Ich hab genau nicht gefilmt, ich wollte gerade einen Sonnenuntergang filmen. Schön? Hey. Warum? Ja dann, ich bin nicht zufrieden. Mei, du hast kackelt?
We could have easily fished a few more minutes, but we were more than content and called it a day. Consider subscribing if you've enjoyed this video, and also help us out by leaving a like and a comment. It really does make a difference. Thanks a lot, and tight lines.